WinList enables you to generate reports that may contain graphics, text, and results. These elements can update any time the underlying data change. This tutorial takes a look at the reporting features of WinList. Let's get started. Let's begin by opening a protocol bundle that creates a basic analysis setup. Up on the ribbon bar, click the report icon. This will create a new report page, and we can resize it to fit our space. Along the top of the report page is a set of tools that allows us to add certain elements to the report. We'll have a look at some of those a little later. The most intuitive way to add objects to the report is to grab the little icon in the upper left part of the title bar and drag it to the report. Once on the report page, the element can be resized as needed. Let's add the other two histograms to the report, and then we'll add a results window. Again, grab the little icon in the upper left corner of the title bar. The results element can also be resized as desired. Now, let's have a look at one of these histogram elements in some detail. Double-click on the histogram element, and the Edit Histogram Link dialog will be displayed. This indicates to us that the histogram arises from data source 1 and is the first histogram in the display, forward scatter by side scatter. Although it's not apparent in this simple example, this dialog allows you to easily locate the source histogram on a complex report. There are a number of other options on this dialog, such as what might be shown in the title bar of the histogram, the graphics quality itself, and whether the histogram will update automatically when a change is made on the workspace. Typically, the setting to use here will be to update the histogram whenever the data change. If you've made any changes in this dialog, just click OK to apply and save the settings. If not, you can click Cancel just to exit the dialog. Let's insert a results window for R1. We'll call it Light Scatter. Select R1 in the list, and let's add the ADC values. For this results window, we could use the drag and drop technique, but instead let's use the Report toolbar. In the Report toolbar, click the Results icon. In the Edit Results Link dialog, you'll see that the second results window is listed. Select that and click OK. Now the results element has been added to the report, and we can drag and resize it to where we want it to be. You may find it useful to add FCS file keywords to the report as well. Let's use the report's context menu to do that. Right-click on the report area and select Insert Keywords. In the Keywords group tree on the left, under File Keywords, select Data Source 1. The available keywords list will be populated with that selection. Select the keyword for the cytometer that was used for the acquisition, and click Add. This keyword is now added to the selected keywords list. To see the value, click the Preview button. Let's also add the keyword for the acquisition date. When you're through adding keywords, click the OK button to close the dialog and create the keywords on the report. Right-click on the keyword element and choose Edit Properties. The text box displays the selected keyword, and we have options now to change the font. Let's have a look at this. To make this a little more distinctive, let's make this bold, 14, and we can also change the color to make it stand out. When done with your selections, click OK to close the dialog and apply the changes. Again, you can move and resize this element to put it where you wish. Let's add some text and graphics to the report to customize it a bit. We'll put these on the master page of the report so that they will appear on all of the report pages. Click the Master Page tab on the lower left, and then up on the Report toolbar, click the text box icon. We'll call this report CD3, CD4, CD8 Report. Now click the Font button to customize the text. Let's make it bold 16 and change the color to teal. When selections are done, click the OK buttons to close the dialogues. You can resize and position the text box as needed, and you can make the text a little bigger. Just right-click on the element, choose Edit Properties, click the Font button and choose Bold 22 and click OK. Now change the alignment to be Center Justified. Click the Rectangle tool on the Report toolbar. Position the new rectangle under the title text and make it a narrow band that stretches across the report. Right-click to display the Edit Properties for Rectangle dialog. Let's choose a fill color of light gray and then click OK to apply the changes and close the dialog. The newly formatted element will be on the report, and these elements will be carried forward to every page of the report. Click the Page 1 tab and note that the headings are in place. Now let's see how it works. Whenever you move a region on the workspace, the corresponding histogram graphics update on the report. When you move any of the regions, the associated graphics will update. Similarly, as the results update, the results element on the report will change accordingly. There are a number of things you can add to the report, such as additional pages or other customized text boxes. For more details, please see the WinList User Guide accessible from WinList's Help menu or at our website at www.vsh.com. Thanks for listening.